Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your Jis News for Tuesday, November 26. Up to 400 more jobs will be provided for Jamaicans in the long term under a management agreement between the National Insurance Fund (NIF) and Europe's third largest hotel chain, Bracha Hotels International (MHI). The NIF acquired the Bracha Hotel in Trelawney in 2000, and under this new agreement, MHI will operate the property for the next 15 years. This follows negotiations which involve the Ministers of Tourism and Labour, under which the NIF falls. The ministers and the chairman of MHI formally exchanged the signed agreement and toured the property last Thursday.
And let it be understood that our goal is not merely to have an attractive building or simply to fill its room with visitors, but also to make a strategic investment which promises to produce a multiplier effect that will ripple through our local communities.
Earlier this year, the Finance Ministry gave approval for the NIF to undertake renovations and infrastructure improvements at Bracha. At a recent Jamaica House press briefing, Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner said the engagement of a long-term management agreement would secure 200 jobs initially and also set the stage for future expansion of the hotel to create an additional 150 to 200 jobs. Bracha Hotels International is the 12th largest hotel chain in the world, with more than 350 properties in 35 countries. Upgrading works to the resort town of Ocho Rios is to start immediately. The Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, has provided $400 million for Phase 1 of the Ocho Rios upgrading project to commence. In this first phase, the Ocho Rios cruise ship terminal will be refurbished and upgraded. The town's main street will also be improved, including works to the sidewalks, landscaping, and a new architectural design. The project is a partnership involving the Tourism Ministry, the Urban Development Corporation, and the Port Authority of Jamaica. Pensioners are being assured that they will receive their annual increase in benefits for the 2014-2015 fiscal year. Deputy Financial Secretary in the Finance Ministry, Wayne Jones, says the proposal has been sent to Cabinet for approval.
And I can assure you, as the Deputy Financial Secretary in charge of that area, that the requisite Cabinet submission is on its way to Cabinet, and so you will be hearing about your increase and receiving it in short order.
Mr. Jones was speaking at the opening of the inaugural Pensioners' Day 2013 at Emancipation Park in New Kingston last Friday. An increase of 16.67% was approved for the government pension scheme in January 2013. Jamaica is on track to realize greater gains in its immunization program.
We have continued to make important investment in our expanded program of immunization and seek to improve outcomes every year.
Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says the introduction of the PAHO Integrated Surveillance Information System for vaccine-preventable diseases will boost the country's reporting and investigation efforts. In the meantime, he's cautioning parents to ensure their children are fully immunized, especially in light of Jamaica's relatively open borders and the health threat that poses.
I want people who use the argument that since other children are immunized, it shouldn't be a problem if their child is not, to understand that even today, many countries of the world still have annual cases and outbreaks of vaccine-preventable diseases, and these have been easily spread to other countries through international travel.
Dr. Ferguson was speaking at the 29th Expanded Program of Immunization (EPI) Managers Conference hosted in Jamaica at the Jewel Runaway Bay Beach and Golf Resort in St. Ann. And finally, as the Ministry of Youth and Culture carries out the strategic review of the National Youth Policy, a call has been thrown out to the nation's youth to assist in the process. Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna made the call while addressing over 400 young people Wednesday during a Youth Dialogue for Action forum at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. The youth policy was initiated in 1998, revised in 2004, and is up for another revision.
We have put in place all the work for revision. The concept paper has been written to write the new policy. And the new policy will not only see things to take into consideration how the globe has changed, how Jamaica has changed, how our young people have changed, but it will have with it certain instruments to make sure that it's implemented, that there's a cost-benefit analysis that goes with it.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.